Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at a property that is located in Chapala Centro, and this house is super cute and it's under 200,000, which is a great price for it. I love the simplicity of it. It's only 84 square meters of construction, but the layout is excellent. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. The kitchen's a little small, but if you're not someone who likes to cook a lot, it's perfect. Before we get started today, I just want to give a shout out to our businesses. Estrellita's Bed and Breakfast and Gato Feo Cafe both have won Best of Lake Chapala for Best Bed and Breakfast and Best Cafe for the last 3 years. The cafe is open every day, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. to the public. We have probably the fastest internet in town, and we have AC because it's starting to get hot. It's that time of the year, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, all of our rooms come with new mattresses, AC, reverse osmosis water, safes, refrigerators, microwaves, ensuite bathrooms, a daily hot breakfast, and daily housekeeping. So if you guys are interested in utilizing either of those or want more information, you can go to my website, therealamandaturner.com, where you'll find a link to the bed and breakfast, to the cafe, and also to Lake Chapala's MLS if you want to take a look at our inventory here in this area. And you can click on the contact link on the website, and that will take you to a form submission, and you just fill out that information. It goes straight to my email and we can start a combo there. Oh, real quick side note that I almost forgot. I just want to say that last week I made several mistakes in the videos that I put out last week. So some of them didn't have the right price, some of them didn't have the right square meters, little mistakes here and there. And anytime I kind of change the format of editing videos and posting them, mistakes will be made. It's inevitable. But I just wanted to apologize to you guys and say that I'm very sorry that that happened. And if you're anything like John Buckley Jr. here, you think that humans don't make mistakes. So on one of the videos, I posted that it was $295 when it was actually $395, and he said that it was clickbait. I think that if I really wanted to clickbait you, I would have probably said it was 100K or under 100K. Clearly, $295 from $395 was a mistake. But also thank you to Promise Keeper for chiming in and letting him know that it was definitely not clickbait. So whoever you are, Promise Keeper, thank you so much. Now let's go check out the property.
Y así suena la frontera Bugalú.
Ay, no fue la ola que me tumbó, fue tu linda cara y tu cadera que me tiró. Ay, no fue la luna que me alumbró, fueron tus lindos ojos y tu cabeza.
All right, guys, I'm going to try not to screw this up, okay? This house is listed for $184,000 US. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom on 1 level. Construction size is 84 square meters or 904 square feet. The lot size is 140 square meters or 1,507 square feet. It is not located in a gated community, so if you wanted to do some type of rental or something like that with this, short-term rentals, you totally could because there are no restrictions. It does not come furnished, and it's located in Chapala Centro.
Una cumbia fronteriza. Ah, oui, oui.
All right, guys, here's the property we're looking at today. As I mentioned earlier in this video, you are located in Chapala Centro here. And just FYI, Chapala Centro is very urban type living, and there's quite a bit in this area. I mean, everything you need is here. Like, you really just don't have to go anywhere else. All your shopping and your dining and your everything can be done here. All of your emergency services come from here. Chapala is the municipality of the entire lakeside up until you get to around San Juan Cosala. So, what's directly near you? Let's check it out. There's a surtidor right over here. This one is only a couple blocks away from the house, and surtidors have quite a bit. You can actually probably get most of your grocery shopping done at this location right here. You also have an OXXO that's walking distance, so if you need to pay your phone bill or if you need to transfer money to somebody or send it to somebody, OXXOs are kind of like your 7-Eleven. The old train station is right here, train station turned museum. This place, oh, they actually have a photo of it here. Look how beautiful that is. So you can go in there and check out the artwork they have going on in there. And then there's a vivero, basically like a plant nursery right next door to it. And I think it's one of the best ones I've ever been to. It's very unique. I like walking through there every once in a while. El Granero snack bar is in here too, so you can get food there if you like. And the Malecon for Chapala is right down here. This is also walkable if you're a walker and you want to take a good walk. This street right here is very scenic, so you can walk right down there and go to the Malecon. So yeah, and then Chapala Plaza is right here. Very nice area to live. If you wanted to walk from this house to the Chapala Malecon, it would take you about 23 minutes. If you wanted to go to a much larger grocery store, you could go to Soriana. It's basically like Mexico's version of Walmart, except way nicer. I've said this many times in my videos, so a lot of you have probably already heard that, but yeah, Soriana is very nice. Okay, and then I also want to point out that Letra CH is a restaurant, a seafood restaurant 2 minutes away from this house, and it is delicious. So that is here. So anybody who's actually visiting the area, no matter what little town you're staying in on the lakeside, go check out Letra CH. It's beautiful and the food is delicious. And if you were to drive from this house to Ajijic Centro, it would take you 20 minutes. And from this house to Guadalajara International Airport is a 34-minute drive. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or anything, leave them in the comments down below. And if you would like to see more properties in this price range, you can click right here. And if you would like to subscribe to the channel, you can click right here. And I will see you for the next video. Bye.